Where's the 5? That's right. That's right there. Where's the 8? Where's the 8, Cora? Who's that? Who's that? Is that Daddy?
Daddy?
No. Is that Grammy?
Amy?
No. Is that Uncle Eric?
Eric?
No. Is that Grandpa?
Walker?
No. Is that Gigi?
Gigi?
No. Is that Grandma?
Mama?
No. Is that Ryder?
Yaya?
No. Is that Dodger?
Dodger?
No. Is it Tux?
Tux?
No. Who else is it? Is it Mira?
No.
No. Is it Jackson?
Dax?
No. Is it Mackenzie?
Kenzie?
No. Is it Mommy?
Annie?
No. Hey.
No.